So today I've got for you, I'm going to be reviewing this product, ANSWR. This has been very kindly gifted for me, and it's an at-home keratin hair treatment. And what it does, it smooths your hair. It doesn't straighten it, it's a hair smoothing treatment. So what I'll do, I'll talk you through each step, and then I'll show you at the end what the results are, and then I'll show you sort of a before and after. So I've got a starter kit, I've got the shampoo, conditioner and keratin treatment. So I shall take you through each of the steps now. It's really easy, very successful, and it's very affordable as well. So I'll do all of that for you, and then I'll pop the prices in as we go along. So in the bathroom now, to start the treatment, needs to be clean, dry hair. So I've just washed my hair. I've actually let it dry naturally, so it's got a bit of a kink in it anyway. And now what I need to do is section my hair and then start applying the product. As they say, more is more, especially because I've got long hair. I'm going to use the whole bottle to absolutely saturate my hair, and I'll section it, spray it on in different sections and then brush it through. So let's get to work. So that's the whole bottle completely used. My hair is absolutely saturated. So what I'm going to do now is just brush it through to make sure all of the hair is covered. So I'm going to leave this now, and depending on your type of hair, you either leave it between 40 to 60 minutes, depending if you've got fine hair or thick, coarse hair. So I'm going to leave mine's quite fine, even though I've got quite a bit of it. So I'm going to leave mine for about 45-50 minutes. And then all I do next is wash it off with plain water. You do not use shampoo. So it's now 50 minutes later. I've just washed my hair just with water, as I said earlier. Just need to make sure you keep an eye on the water coming off your hair, so you can tell once it's run out of, once the suds have run out of your hair, and then it's clear of product. So now on to the next step, which is blow drying. So my hair is completely dry now, and we're going to go on to the next stage in the process, which is activating the keratin using straighteners. And then you take sections of hair, no thicker than 2 centimetres, so about like that, and you go through with the straightening iron 6 times. You need to go very slowly, and then that heat will activate the keratin treatment. I really struggled to get my hair looking shiny because it's blonde and it's not in the greatest of condition. So using this treatment has been absolutely fantastic for me. It's very natural, environmentally friendly, all natural products. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, absolutely lovely. And what it does, it works, the keratin treatment works from within the hair cuticle to smooth the hair down. And then to reactivate the treatment, you just blow dry it again. And this should last me between 2 and 3 months. I absolutely love this product, fully recommend it, and it's so much cheaper than the keratin treatments in hairdressers. You get to do it in the comfort of your own home, and it hardly takes any time at all. So I hope you've enjoyed that one. As you can see, I'm absolutely delighted with the results. Absolutely unbelievable that something I can do at home gives me silky smooth hair like this. So I'll put all the details in the description box down below, and the links to the different kits and bits that you can buy there, and I'll either pop the prices on now or I'll include those in the description box as well. It's a really affordable way of doing an at-home keratin hair treatment. Absolutely fantastic, and I really honestly do recommend this treatment. So thank you very much for watching. Please do give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.